David here, you're watching Btekt. Make sure you hit subscribe, smash the like button, and let's go. Also, if you click the link below, you'll be taken to the new Btekt Amazon shop where it's all the best recommendations of tech. So you won't find anything down there that's some cheap rubbish that's only going to last you a few months. All the stuff there is quality stuff, so well worth checking out. Right, today I want to talk about the Mate 30 Pro because it is about to launch next week on the 19th in Munich. I've got my invite and I'm really looking forward to going because this handset, well, it has the potential to be such a great handset, one of the best, well, Android handsets at least, ever. But then at the same time, it may not get any Google services, which would be a complete disaster for Huawei. Now, I have heard rumors lately that it might not even be launching in Europe because they're so worried about not having these apps on the phone. But I think we don't have to worry about those rumors. I don't think that's going to happen. Why would they have the launch event in Munich if they're not going to launch the phone at all in Europe? That just makes no sense and will make them look really dumb. So forget about that one. But what I have heard though is that possibly there might be some sort of app that's pre-installed onto the Mate 30 Pro that will allow you to indirectly install Google apps. Now this could be the lifeline that they need because without Google Apps, I mean, the phone in Europe at least is almost completely useless. I don't think anybody would buy it. Imagine a phone that you couldn't access Facebook, you couldn't access Instagram. It would just be a complete nightmare. Before I go on, I want to say a big thank you to Direct Mobiles. Over 24 years of award-winning customer service, a great place to look if you need a new phone. Check their comparison tools to find the best possible deal. Their link is in the video description below, or search directmobiles.co.uk. According to the rumors, this handset's going to be pretty special. We're looking at 4 cameras on the back. One should be a time of flight sensor, 2 cameras on the front, another should be a time of flight sensor, which would be useful for 3D face unlock, which we know the Mate 30 Pro will probably have. We didn't see it on the P30 Pro. Instead, they had the software-based facial identification thing, which is just not as secure. It can be easily fooled. 3D face unlock, it's 3-dimensional, so it can map your face properly, so you can't just hold up a photo to it and it would work. But the thing about the Mate 20 Pro was that the fingerprint scanner almost didn't work at all. It was really bad, it was rubbish. Compared to the P30 Pro, fingerprint scanner on the P30 Pro works just fine. On the Mate 20 Pro, forget about it, it's just annoying. So that was really my only problem with the Mate 20 Pro. Other than that, I actually still prefer the Mate 20 Pro over the P30 Pro, but don't tell Huawei I said that. But anyway, for this new handset, like I said, 4 cameras on the back, 2 on the front. 2 of the sensors on the back are said to be super spectrum type sensors, but one is said to be specialist for video, which really excites someone like me, somebody who actually makes video for a living. And it's got to be pretty special because of what Apple launched just the other day. If you saw the keynote, Apple's keynote, then you'll know that that phone is the one for video now, especially when you pair it with the Filmic Pro app. I mean, being able to shoot with all the sensors at the same time and then use all of them as separate videos and cut them into your movie, incredible. Plus 60 frames per second, beautifully smooth footage. I think it's got a very high dynamic, it's supposed to have a high dynamic range, and that A13 Bionic chip is just really, really incredible. I mean, it is far and away the best processor you'll find in any smartphone. And that's because the Apple chip it's huge compared to the Qualcomm chips that you'll find in the in Android smartphones. You know, why don't Apple just open up their ecosystem to any third-party manufacturer and give them the A13 Bionic? They could corner the market. You know, if they just gave away their chip to people and said, hey, go and make a phone, every phone manufacturer would do exactly that. And I think that now would be the perfect time to do it because one of their biggest competitors is on the back foot. So what other rumors have we heard about the Mate 30 Pro? Well, bigger battery, should be about 4,500 milliamp hours, I'm expecting. Be great if it was more. Rumors of a waterfall display. Now, I saw an example of a waterfall display, a concept of a waterfall display at IFA this year by TCL. TCL used to make Blackberries, or do make Blackberries. I'm not sure which one it is at the moment. We haven't heard anything from BlackBerry this year, so there are rumors that they're going down the pan. But TCL, they had a concept phone with this display, and it was beautiful. It was really nice. You look at it from the front and there's no side bezels at all. You can't see the side bezels whatsoever. So interesting to see if the Mate 30 Pro will have that. Hopefully it will. This display is rumored to be a 90Hz screen as well, similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. I've got a feeling it might be a little bit more than that. It'd be nice if they pushed it up to 120Hz, but I did notice with the OnePlus 7 Pro that if you have it in 90Hz mode, it does drain the battery quite a bit quicker than if it's just in the regular mode. So be interesting to see what happens there. But one thing that we know that the Mate 30 Pro will have is the Kirin 990. Now, I was privileged enough to be at the launch at IFA just the other day, and I have to say the video abilities that this chip is going to give whatever handset it's in are really impressive. You know, you're able to, in real time, remove the background from subjects, move them around, scale them up, scale them down. Really, really impressive. Maybe the wind was taken out of the sails a little bit with the launch of the iPhone 12. Maybe the wind was taken out of the sails a little bit with the iPhone 11. I'm really looking forward to the next few months, getting my hands on both the iPhone 11 and the Mate 30 Pro. I'm a video guy, and what can I say? Anyway, that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Smash the like button, leave me a comment, and of course subscribe for more. If you're regular to Btekt, then you know that this is a different setup that I've got going on here. Love to get some feedback from you. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. My name's David. This is Btekt.